Okay, gang, for this one, you're going to start by plugging in the 0 and doing the golden rule. So if you plug in 0, you're going to get 1 minus 1 over 0, which is 0 over 0. So this one is indeterminate. Using the using the unit circle, if you plug in 0, you're here, right? And the cosine is a 1 and the sine is a 0. That's why this is a 1 and this is a 0 at this angle. All right, so that means you have to use the two special limits we learned, right? So just to review real quick, the two special limits that we learned. Okay, we have this one equals to 0. And this one equal to 1. So remember, when you get an indeterminate form on the trig, you have to reference these. Now, if you notice, oh, okay, let me say one other quick thing. The flip of this is not true because then this would be undefined. You'd have 1 over 0, but the flip of this is true, meaning that this ratio would still be a 1 if you flip this. Because the ratio is 1, if you invert it, it's still 1. Whereas if you invert this, it's 1 over 0, which is undefined. So this one you can't flip, but this one you can flip. All right, so if you notice, what we're lacking for the numerator is the x in the bottom, and what we're lacking for the sine is the x in the numerator. So this needs to be multiplied by x over x. And then I'll just like move the furniture around so you guys can see it better. I'm going to move this x under the cos. And I'm going to move this, sorry, I don't know what I just said. I'm going to move this x under the cos, this x above the sine. Alright, so basically what I'm saying is I'm pairing this with this and this with this. Alright, now we can use what I just said down here, okay? So the limit of this guy is a 0. The limit of this guy is a 1. So 0 times 1 is 0. Alright, so the big deal here is you really got to remember this stuff for the test, these special limits, okay? Alright, gang, that's it on this one. Hope that helped. Catch you.